How do you tell that your product is valuable to your customers? An excellent way to do that is through the product involvement level, PIL. PIL evaluates your customers' willingness to be involved in your product, which essentially means two things. They enjoy your product and they would like to use it in the future. To make your product inspiring and intriguing, you might need to answer the following questions. Why should your users download your product? Can they find what they are looking for in your application? What inspires them to continue using your product? To increase your PIL, you will need to find a satisfying answer to the questions above, because these are the same questions that your users may ask when they are using your product. When you make your app available on an app store, here are a few things to consider that can help you assess the PIL. Number 1, check the daily active users, DAU, or monthly active users, MAU numbers. They can tell you whether you have created a successful app for the time being. Number 2, check the ratio of DAU to MAU. If you get a number that is 20% or higher, then congratulations, you have made an app with exceptional user stickiness. Check your app's retention rate, that's number 3. For it tells you that you are losing your users and urgent actions are needed to rectify that. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You are watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.